Hi everybody, Nathan here from Pioneer Chrysler in beautiful Mission, British Columbia. We are back on the lot with a new vehicle that we just had come in. 2020 Ford XLT EcoBoost. Check it out. Howdy ladies and gentlemen, we are under the hood of the 2020 XLT Ford. Now, Ford really takes pride in their EcoBoost engine, and we just happen to have one in here. 3.5 liters V6, still towing up over 10,000 pounds. This truck will make sure that you get all your towing needs done at a very, very affordable gas consumption. Hi, how's it going? So outside the vehicle, really cool, nice white color. All right, crew cab, so lots of room in the back for your family and friends. Check a look in there, ain't it pretty? All right, so also too, if you are trying to get into your pickup and you don't really want to be standing on the bumper, Ford's got one of these for you, so you can get right up on there. Sturdy as a rock. All right, here we are inside. Very, very clean, very low kilometers, just 42,146 to be exact. Now you still got your Bluetooth, you got your hands-free up here on the dash. Very nice stereo system. And of course, you've got your 4x4 differential here for when you want to be doing those hardcore jobs. All right, there we have it. One of the special trades we just got here at Pioneer Chrysler Jeep Dodge in beautiful Mission, BC, 2020 Ford F-150. Now, if you want to see more videos or anything like that of what we have on our lot, please feel free to leave a message in the comments. Also too, if you are looking for any vehicles, give me or my coworkers a call, 604-329-3693. Ask for Nathan, 604-329-3693. Out of here.